what they want, what they really want.
You need to stop now!
Here, Tommy! And what should I do? Where am I going?
We won't be accepting you. You can't throw things at people.
I'm sorry.
You take the money immediately, but you can't give it back.
Don't swear at me, please, okay? I'm not here to just swear at me.
I'm not just...
Why? For what? For what?
Rag off the United Gentlemen on after refusing to give up a seat.
Oh, let's don't take no chance.
Take me to 5 minutes. I will discuss this with you further in 5 minutes.
I'm bleeding all over my vagina. Blood, straight blood. You guys need to shut the hell up.
I make $4 million a year. What do you do?
I am the richest woman in the world, and people treat me like shit because they don't know who
Landed in Los Angeles, and they're all women. Punches are thrown, hair is pulled, and
would you guys ask the other men to come here and ask for their because of that? I paid my tickets.
Stop it! Stop! I want you out me!
No, you cannot do this!
That what I've told you is not true. It basically called me a liar.